Hello. Welcome everyone. बस 1 मिनट और रुकेंगे अगर कोई और ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, सो वी विल वेट फॉर देम. 1 मिनट में हम सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो जब तक वो हम रुके हैं, टिल देन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक अहिल्या योगा केंद्र फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी on the occasion of International Yoga Day. I hope everyone is having a good and healthy life. Okay. Alright, already 6 हो चुके हैं, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन. Okay, so आज हम विन्यासा फ्लो या एक योगा का फॉर्मेट जो हम एक फ्लो के थ्रू प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, विच मीन्स दैट वी विल बी प्रैक्टिसिंग वन एक्सरसाइज आफ्टर द अदर. ब्रेक करके नहीं करते हुए, एक पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइज को फोकस नहीं करते हुए हम एक के बाद एक लाइक अ कोरियोग्राफी, लाइक अ डांस फॉर्म इसको करेंगे. बट द एक्सरसाइजेस विल बी वेरी सिंपल एंड बेसिक. तो जो भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, प्लीज स्टार्ट बाय जस्ट सिटिंग ऑन योर फ्लोर, ऑन योर मैट. कुछ भी कंफर्टेबल सा लेके उस पर बस आप बैठ जाइए, खुद को कंफर्टेबल बना दीजिए, अच्छे से एक पोजिशन पे सेट हुई है एंड वी विल बिगिन. सो फॉर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद ब्रेथ वर्क. सो जस्ट टेक योर पोजिशन. ब्रेथ वर्क का मतलब है वी विल जस्ट फोकस ऑन ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स टू बिगिन विद. For that, let's start by keeping your hands on the knees. आंखें बंद रखिए, हाथों को knees पे रखिए, open रखिए, body straight, back straight. Just focus on your breath over here. Breathe in, inhale and exhale. Keep your mind completely calm and just focus on your breath. As you inhale, notice how your chest is rising up. जैसे आप सांस लेते हो, चेस्ट में हवा भरती है और वो ऊपर आता है. As you breathe out, the chest drops down. So just focus on this basic action which is happening within you. Keeping your eyes closed, nice and relaxed. All right. Now let's begin with a little bit of stretching and then we will get into a little more active flow. Keep your hands on the center of your body. अपने पैरों के ऊपर हाथ रखिए, पैरों को ओपन रखिए. ज़्यादा ऊपर रख के बॉडी को क्रंच करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Have a nice open seated position. हाथों को पैरों पे रखिए इस तरीके से. Breathe in. Inhale. Have a nice long back and bring your hands up. Breathe in, open your hands up, stretch them up. Lift your chest up, lift your back, your spine. अपने tailbone से लेके सर तक हर एक bone को, हर एक joint को, muscle को ऊपर की तरफ खींचना है. So breathe in, open yourself up. Look up at the ceiling. Hold this. Let the breath flow into your entire body. Now breathe out and slowly bend forward. तो सांस बाहर छोड़ते हुए सामने झुकना है. हिप से बेंड कीजिए. डोंट राउंड योर बैक. बैक को राउंड नहीं करना है. आप चाहे कितना भी बेंड करें, कम हुआ तो भी ठीक है, बट डोंट राउंड योर बैक. इट इज ओके इफ यू डोंट बेंड फुल्ली. हैव अ नाइस स्ट्रेट बैक. Fully breathe out, relax your body, feel a nice stretch on your back. हाथों को मैट में ऐसे जोर से दबा के रखिए और बैक को अच्छे से स्ट्रेच कीजिए. ओके. Now breathe in and come up, round your back as you're coming up. Round your back and slowly come up fully. Again, open your hands to the side. Let's do the same stretch on the sides now. So breathe in, lift lift your chest up again. Keep your left hand on your tummy. Left hand को ऐसे पेट पे रखिए. Lift your right hand. Breathe in, lift your right hand. Keep on opening. Again, the point over here is to open the body upwards. So start by opening from your hip. Open your hip, lift your ribs, lift your chest, open your shoulder. So shoulder को ऐसे नीचे नहीं रखते हुए खींचिए, ऊपर की तरफ open कीजिए. Open the shoulder, open the elbow. Stretch your arm fully. Right now, don't fall. Simply stretch upwards. Now, as you breathe out, start bending towards the left side. Keep pushing your right edge out. Breathe in. Open yourself to the right side. Look up at the ceiling. Feel a nice opening stretch in your body as you do this. Breathe in. Open yourself. Inhale. Gently come up again. Breathe out. Bring your hand down. Let's repeat on the left side. Keep your right hand on your tummy. Breathe in. Lift your left hand up. Stretch. Stretch. Open your left hand up. And now bend over to the right side. Keep pushing into your left side. Keep stretching up. Open your left side up. Alright. Perfect. Now let's release out of it. Come up. Bring your hands down. Both hands on the knee. Relax your body. Okay? Shoulders को relax कीजिए. Back को relax कीजिए. Let's do 2 spine waves. Spine waves का मतलब है यहाँ पे आप अपना बैक और टमी दोनों यूज करेंगे, दोनों का स्ट्रेंथ यूज होगा. And it is extremely good and it really opens up your back, opens up your spine vertically and horizontally. दोनों हाथों को अपने knees पे ऐसे रखिए, elbows up. Okay, we are going to start by breathing in again. Breathe in, lift your shoulders up. पहले base से लेके सर तक पूरी body को ऊपर उठाइए. Now as you breathe out, start going down, round your back. Take your head down and go down, okay? Breathe in. As you breathe out, head down. Breathe out, completely round your back. Go down with your head. Let your head go down fully to the floor. Perfect. Fully breathe out over here. Now as you're breathing in, tilt your head up. Breathe in, start lifting your head, tilt it up. Start opening your chest in front and come up fully. Okay? One more time, breathe in. I'm going to turn and show you sideways how it looks. Keep your hands on your knees. Breathe in, lift your chest up. Breathe out, start rounding your head, rounding your spine, head goes down, fully on the floor. Once you have fully breathed out, you have fully exhaled the air, now start lifting up, inhale. Breathe in, turn your head up and reverse your spine, come up fully again. Alright, perfect, wonderful. This is really good for opening your back, chest and shoulders. Okay, so now let's move on. As I said, we will be doing a flow, vinyasa flow. So we will be starting in a seated position. We will start in a seated position. We will do a couple of moves. We will be standing up also. Okay, it is going to be very easy, not too complicated. So keep your hands on your knees. We are sitting in Vajrasan. पैरों को पीछे फोल्ड करके अपने हील्स पे बैठिए. If it is difficult for you to sit in this position, यहाँ पे बैठने के लिए कुछ ब्लॉक या ब्लैंकेट फोल्ड किया हुआ या पिलो कुछ भी लीजिए जिससे आपको थोड़ा सपोर्ट मिले. Okay? Keep your hands on your knees. Have your back straight up, chest lifted. Sit firmly. Take 2 nice breaths in this position. Breathe in with your nose. Expand your chest, breathe out with your mouth. Completely relax your shoulders. Again, breathe in. Expand your chest, breathe out. Relax start by rising up first. So keep your hands in front of your hand, in front, pointing in front. Breathe in, lift your hip up and come up. Send your hands up as you come up. Take good support with your legs. Push your hips slightly forward. Open your shoulders up. Open your body upwards. Breathe in. Nicely expand over here. Keep pushing your hip forward. Keep pushing your belly. Opening your chest. Opening your neck. So imagine that you are trying to copy the sun. So the sun eliminates the sunlight in all directions. So you are just letting out your rays in all directions. Opening up. So just visualize that. Open your chest, belly, hips, thighs. Open your body fully. Alright. Now slowly sit down, breathe out. Sit down on the mat and bend forward. Child's pose. Child's pose बोलते हैं इसे. So head down, completely relax, rest your back. Just ease out. Right now we stretched our back, now we are easing it out. Take a couple of breaths. Now we're going to slowly rise up. अभी ऊपर आना है वापस in table position. So how we're going to do it is again in form of a spine wave. So when you're coming up, start by lifting your tailbone up. यहाँ से शुरू कीजिए. सीधे ऐसे ऊपर नहीं आना है. We are going to start lifting the base of our spine. Okay? Start breathing in and push the base of your spine up. Lift your tailbone up slowly. Shift that curve forward in your back, in your chest. Open your shoulder blades, push them up, and slowly now fully come up in tabletop position. Press your hands firmly into the mat. Lift your shoulders. Perfect. Now from here we are going to go in cow pose. So breathe in, drop your belly down. Breathe in, expand your belly, lift your head up, lift your shoulders, press into the mat, come up. Head goes back. Now your toes are flat on the floor, so tuck them in. Tuck your toes in. Breathe out. Pull your belly in, drop your head down, bring it between your hands. Fully squeeze your belly, tighten your belly up. From here we are going to prepare for a downward dog. So again take one breath over here, breathe in. As you breathe out, squeeze your belly, lift your knees up. Fully come in downward dog pose. यहाँ पे अगर आपको पैर सीधे रखने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, then just slightly bend your knees. That is fine. Have a slight bend in your knees, but make sure that your back is straight. So from your hands to your hip, it should be a straight line. You can bend your knees a little, or you can have them fully stretched out, depending on the readiness of your body. Do not overstretch. Do not overpush. Okay, so let's walk our legs a little in this pose. पैरों को थोड़ा आराम देते हैं यहाँ पे. So एक एक करके knees को अंदर bend करना है. Just slightly twist your body and bend your knees in, left and right. Just walk them in, releasing any kind of stress there is. Okay, perfect. Keep pressing your hands into the mat. Have a nice straight back. Now from here, slowly shift your body weight in front. Come in a full plank. Okay, so this is a full plank. Squeeze your abs. Pull your belly in. Press your hands into the mat and have a straight back. Don't do this and don't do this. This is not a plank. Have a straight back. Okay. Now we are going to slowly turn inwards. We are going to do a side twist over here. There are two variations, one easy and one a little difficult. So I'm going to show you both. So the difficult one first. दोनों पैरों को एक के ऊपर एक रखना है, हाथ को प्रेस करना है और दूसरे हाथ को ऊपर उठाना है. Right hand on the mat, left hand up. If this is difficult, then you can open your feet. So now my left foot is in front, right foot is behind. Okay, so you can do this, or even easier, touch your right knee down and lift your body up. Nicely stretch up. Keep pressing your hand into the floor. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखें, शोल्डर को फुल ऐसे बंद नहीं कर देना है. Don't put your weight on your shoulder. Open your shoulder, lift your body, lift yourself up. Hold, breathe. At any point in the practice, do not hold your breath. It is a flow, so keep your breath flowing. Alright, slowly turn inwards. Again, come in a plank and now switch to the other side. Same over here, you can either come in a full plank or touch your knee down. Both are perfectly fine. Keep holding your plank. Breathe into this pose. Turn inwards again. Come in a full plank. Okay. Now from here we are going to go down and then come up in Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. So press your hands in the mat. Bring your chest down and fully go down on the mat. Okay? Hands are next to the chest. पैर खुले रखने हैं. Feet completely open on the floor. Hands next to the chest. First take a normal breath just to relax your body. Then breathe in. As you breathe in, lift your chest up. Press your hands firmly into the mat. Hands are right next to the chest. Elbows को बाहर नहीं रखना. Keep them close to your body. In. Compact. Press into the mat. Rise up. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your bum. Squeeze your thighs. Press into the mat and lift your back up. Lift your chest up. Shoulders को बंद नहीं करना. Keep them wide open and down. Roll them behind. Just observe, I'm going to do it again. Not like this. Open them, roll them behind. Open your neck up. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your thighs. So a nice tightness in your legs over here. Chest lifted, head up. Take nice 2 breaths. Alright. As you breathe out, again go down slowly. Rest your body. Tuck your toes in. Your toes were open. Tuck them in. As you breathe in now, again lift your body up. Come up in Cobra. Now as you breathe out, we are going to go in downward dog. So you're going to lift your hip up. Breathe out. Bring your head down. Send your hip up. Come in downward dog. Again, keep your feet completely pressed into the mat. Don't have your heels up. Feet are fully pressed into the mat. Okay? Keep pressing your hands. Your head should not be out. Neither should it be too down. Have it right between your shoulders. You can keep your knees bent if you need. Okay, perfect. Take 3 nice breaths. I'm going to show you a belly breathing technique over here. Do not lift your hand. I'm doing it just to show you. So if you can see my stomach, if you can see it, now I'm going to inhale into my belly. So breathe in. Can you see how my tummy is coming out? I'm breathing into it. Now I'm breathing out. So squeezing the belly, it goes in. Just observe and do the same. Breathe in to your belly over here. Breathe in, push your tummy out. Breathe out, squeeze your belly. Fully squeeze it. Again, breathe in. Expand your belly. Breathe out, squeeze your belly. One last time, breathe in. Expand. Breathe out, squeeze. Alright, perfect. Now let's shift the body weight forward. Come in a full plank again. And now we are going to bring one leg in front. So as you breathe in, lift your left leg. You can also stand up and adjust it. Bring your left leg in front. take your right leg behind. Right leg is on its toes. So right heel ऊपर है. It is only on its toes. Both hands by the side of your left foot. Go down and touch your right knee on the floor. Right knee on the floor. Okay. So we're going to do a little thigh opening over here. Keeping your hands pressed into the mat. Breathe in. Lift your chest up. Come up in your chest. Breathe. यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को फ्लोर टच करना मुश्किल होगा. In that case, have a block under your hands. Block or a pile of books so your hands are up and you can press more. Okay? Breathe in, lift your chest up. Keep pressing, go lower. Now again over here, now we are going to shift the stretch to the front leg now. We are stretching the back leg, now we are going to stretch the front leg. Slowly start straightening your front leg, shift your weight behind. हाथों को जमीन पे रखें, हाथों का पूरा सपोर्ट लेके पीछे आइए. आगे का जो पैर है उसको पूरा सीधा करना है. Right from your hip to your heel. Have a nice straight leg. Keep your hands bent straight on the floor. Breathe and lift your chest up. Breathe out, bend a little forward. As you bend forward, you will feel a nice stretch on the underside of your leg. Just notice that. Again, breathe and come up. Shift your weight forward. One more time. Stretch your back thigh. Hip goes down. Press your hip down. Open your body up. Lift your chest up. Okay, from here now we are going to go up in a warrior pose. तो उसके लिए ऊपर आने के लिए पहले पैर को firmly फ्लोर पे प्रेस कीजिए. Press your left foot firmly on the floor and with the support of your hands lift your right knee up. Lift your right knee up, then lift your body entirely up. So you are fully up now. Your left foot is firmly on the floor. Left knee is at a right angle. तो लेफ्ट नी ऐसा नहीं रखना है. दिस एंगल हैज टू बी अ नाइस डीप 90 degree angle. Join your hands in front of your chest. Look ahead. Breathe. If you feel that you're going to fall, then take some support. Hold a wall or hold something. Have a nice, firm, steady posture. Again over here, one mistake that happens is you end up rounding or arching your back. Don't do that. Pull your tummy in. Straight back. And hold. Okay, now we're going to straighten out the leg. So simply straighten out your leg and turn inwards. तो आपको left side को turn होना है. I'm just going to switch myself so that you can see. Okay, now turning inwards. This is the posture. Both the feet pointing in front, legs straight. Keep your hand on your waist. We're going to do a forward bend over here. Breathe in, lift your chest up. As you breathe out, start pushing your hip behind. Push your hip behind. Go down. Bend. Slowly open your hands. Keep them on the floor. So your hands are here to support your body. As you breathe out, go down. Furthermore, drop your head down between your hands. If it is difficult, you cannot reach the floor, bend your knees. That is always an option. Bring your feet a little closer and bend them slightly. And find a way to bend deeper. It does not matter how deep you can bend as long as you get the posture right. So keep your back straight. Don't round it too much and bend. Alright. Breathe in, press into the mat, come up. Bring your hands fully up on top of your head. Stretch your body upwards. Alright, now let's shift to the other side. So earlier my left leg was in front, but now I'm stretching on my right leg. So point your right foot out. Right foot out, left foot pointing in front. Open your hands. Open your hands over here. Breathe. Now slowly we are going to turn fully to the right side. Lift the left heel up. Left heel up. Breathe in and bend down. Fully. Nice right angle in your right leg. Hands joined in front, back straight, not arched, straight back. Keep pressing your foot into the mat. Hands in the front of your chest. Breathe. Hold this pose. It's a nice stretch for your legs. It's a wonderful workout for your thighs, your calves, your glutes, everything. Hold it. Okay, now we're going to go down from here. So breathe in, lift your chest up. As you breathe out, go down. Keep both your hands on either sides of your right foot. Okay? Slowly touch your left knee down. Open your foot out. Keep pressing into your mat like we did on the left side. We are repeating the same on the right side. So you can see now my hand is fully on the floor. If that is not possible, take books. Something to give you that lift. Okay? Press deeper. Bring your hip closer to the floor. Open your chest up. Breathe in a way up. Extend your spine. Don't keep your back crushed. Keep your back nice and open. Now slowly shift your body weight behind. Let's repeat the stretch on the right leg. Shift your body weight behind. Point your toe up. Right toe up. Hands on the mat. Both sides of your leg. Breathe in, lift your chest up. Breathe out. Bend forward. Feel a nice stretch on the underside of your right leg over here. It does not matter how deep you can bend. Just keep focusing on the stretch. It is okay if you are just halfway. That is fine. Alright, slowly shift your weight forward again. Deep bend. Go down in this lunge. Lift your chest up. Alright, let's prepare for a plank. Tuck your foot under again. Press your hands into the mat. Lift your knee up. And send your right leg behind. Come in a full plank. Okay, again a full plank. Hip is not too high nor too low. Straight body, straight line, hands pressed into the mat. Breathe in, look up, breathe out, go down, fully on the floor. Keep your hands next to your chest, untuck your toes. Press into the mat, breathe in, lift your chest up, cobra pose. Roll your shoulders behind, push your chest out. Again, feel the openness in your chest. Don't have a stiff chest. Keep your elbows slightly bent, not fully out. Slight bend. Okay. Breathe out, go down. Let's get on to a little bit of stretching now. Open your hands out. Keep them next to your thighs. Just relax your body, move it side to side a little. Lift your left foot up, pull it in, hold it with your left hand. Press it against your thigh. Press your left foot against your thigh over here. Squeeze it nicely. If you cannot hold your foot, you can always use a strap. Get a band, strap, belt, anything and use that to hold your foot. Wrap it around your foot and hold it. Press it down and release. We are preparing for a bow pose. Now repeat on the right leg. Press it on your thigh nicely. First open up your thigh. Press it. Lift your knee up as you do it. Alright. Once your feet are ready now, bring both your feet in. Wrap your hands around them. If you cannot, I'm repeating, use a strap. And if a strap is not available, I'll show you what to do after this. So keep squeezing your feet in. Hold them tightly with your hands. Wrap your hands tightly. Breathe in and start lifting your knees and your chest. Breathe in. Lift your chest up, lift your knees up. Use the strength of your thighs and your chest, your back. Squeeze your back fully. Tighten your back. Lift up. Open your chest. Look up. Squeeze and press your pelvic into the floor fully. Breathe out, slowly release. Now the option that I told you that you can do. So keep your legs bent. If this pose is difficult, keep your legs bent. It is okay if they are here. It is okay if they are here. That's fine. Bring it to the maximum. Keep both your hands next to your chest. Breathe in, press into them and lift up. Okay? So the point over here is to stretch and open the legs and the chest. So when you do this, you are achieving that. If this is difficult, go on your elbows. Elbows को नीचे रखिए next to your chest. Lift your chest. Keep lifting your chest. Keep opening your legs. Breathe out. Go down. All right. Let's get up now. So breathe in. Again, lift your chest up. Cobra pose. Breathe out. Tuck your legs in. Come in a downward dog. Breathe. Take 2 nice breaths over here. Slowly shift your body weight forward. Touch your knees down. Come in tabletop pose. Once you are in tabletop pose, breathe in. Press your waist and belly down. Open it. Lift your chest up. Breathe out. Round your back fully. Press it up. Untuck your toes. Slowly shift your weight behind and go down fully on the mat. Child's pose. Completely relax your body over here. And slowly come up. Vajrasana. Keep seated in Vajrasana. Hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Just calm down your breath. Bring down your heart rate. Take nice 5 deep breaths over here. Breathe in. Expand your chest. Breathe out. Relax your chest. Okay? I'm just going to go there and check on the video. Please continue doing the breath. All right. Perfect. Stay in Vajrasana. We are going to release out in a couple of stretches now out of the flow. If you have any kind of questions or doubts that you had during the flow which you could not do, then you can directly message me on my Facebook ID just to clarify anything that you need to know. Keeping your hands on your knees. As you breathe in, let's open the chest and relax it after all the workout that we have done. So bring your hands in front of your chest. Breathe in, open your hands to the side. Open your shoulders. Open them up. Lift your chest up. Breathe in. As you breathe out, drop your hands down. हाथों को पीछे लीजिए और उनको अपने पैरों के पीछे रखिए. Keep them in front of your feet. Okay, so your palms are in front of your feet. Breathe in, lift your chest up over here, drop your head behind. Keep pressing your hands into the floor and drop your head behind, lift your chest up. Alright, slowly release. Open your hands up again. Let's do a couple of arm stretches. So bring your hands in, clasp them together. Over here, if you feel that it is difficult to sit in Vajrasana for so long, you can sit down on the floor with your legs crossed. That is fine. So bring your hands in front, clasp them together. First breathe in, invert them, send them up, stretch. Stretch your hands upwards. Now breathe out. Again invert them, palms facing towards you, bend your back. Start bending forward, your head is between your shoulders. Press your hands forward, feel a nice stretch on your back, your shoulders. Slowly go down fully on the mat and relax your body. Again breathe in, come up, and now sit down fully on the mat. So we are going to end this session with a couple of breathing exercises which I am going to show you, and this is also how you should do it after any normal workout that you do. So once you do a nice workout, whether it is yoga or anything, always end it with a little bit of breath work, because that helps in calming down your body, bringing down your heart rate and just settling everything inside. So keep your body open, legs open, hands on your knees open. Bring your attention into your heart. Start breathing really. Breathe in, expand your body again. Breathe out, relax it. This you can also do lying down, but we have very limited time today. So I will only cover seated position for now. Keep your eyes closed. As you're breathing, pay attention to your body. See if your body is comfortable in this pose. Observe if your feet are fine. Do you feel any kind of stress in your feet? Keep your eyes closed. You do not need to see the video now. Simply listen and do accordingly. So just observe your feet. You can move them a little just to see if there is any kind of stress, any kind of discomfort. Slowly move your attention higher in your calf muscles. Just see if your calves are fine. Is there any stress? Then into your knees, your thighs. Rest everything down into the floor. Open that. Hands open. Breathe. Breathe into your body. Breathe into each and every part of your body. Opening it, relaxing it, and spreading it out fully to relax. Dropping your shoulders down. Relax. Relax your neck. Relax your head. Keep your eyes closed and stay in this posture for at least 30 seconds, just focusing on your body, releasing any kind of stress, any kind of discomfort, anything at all that is holding you back. Stay over here. You can gently tilt your head to left and right. You can move your shoulders backwards and forward. You can slightly twist your spine just to see whether everything is feeling okay. Drop your head down, open your neck, lift your chin up, stretch upwards. Do these gentle movements with your body. After every single workout that you do, this is extremely helpful in completely releasing and relaxing your body after the workout. You can also lie down after this and repeat the same thing in the lying down position. Okay? So thank you so much for spending your time with me. It was really nice. Again, I thank Ahilya Devi Yoga Center for this opportunity. Extremely humble. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening ahead and happy International Yoga Day to every one of you. Have a great life.